Tesla Semi takes on Cybertruck in viral drag race. Is this a real one? A Tesla Semi and Cybertruck prototype were caught drag racing following Tesla Investor Day event. I mean, I kind of think I know how this is going to go.
Yeah.
Even the seemingly lackadaisical 20-second 0 to 60 time of the Tesla Semi is otherworldly in the commercial truck market. 20 seconds 0 to 60 on a
Semi?
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I feel like I've driven a minivan that was slower than that back in the day. Okay, let's see the clip here. Gangs all here. Cybertruck, Semi. Ooh. Oh, what? Okay, so definitely the Cybertruck held up and let the Semi stay beside it. Because it would have cooked. Cybertruck would cook the Semi.
Yeah, I think it was kind of like a promotional thing.
Yeah,
I don't think it was really serious.
You know what, Will? It looks a little promotional to me.
Yeah.
Right, and when it says gangs all here, and then you got see all the other models behind there?
Yeah.
They're definitely they're driving in tandem. Mm-hmm. They're not really racing, as this headline implies.
Yeah, with the racing flag.
Really a drag race. But that's something I would watch, Will. Drag race.
They should do it.
I want to see the Tesla Semi versus any other Semi. And I just want to see the difference. Mm-hmm. That'd be fun. Oh, never mind. Maybe you had the wrong clip. Maybe this is the real drag race.
I think it's starting off.
No. They're just rolling past people getting video clips and making videos and stuff. Keep scrolling. Maybe there's another clip. Maybe there is an actual. No, there's not. Of course, there's not.
No.
Well, anyway, they were showing off at Investor Day. They had all these different vehicles over there. Got to give people a show. They came far and wide. You can't just talk about financials.
So here's another shot of the Cybertruck. What do you think?
Yeah.
Better? Worse? It looks smaller, but I guess next to the Semi.
No, it got narrower for sure, so it could fit in parking spaces and stuff. It's fine.
It's fine now?
It's fine, yeah.
Okay.
It's fine. Even with the honker on the front, it's fine. And the wheels was the main thing.
I do like the trunk closed off.
The trunk closed off, the glass roof, the black glass roof, the wheels getting fixed. Yeah. The mirrors that now have the stainless steel on the trim on the outside, so they kind of blend a little bit better. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, some minor touch-ups have improved it substantially.
Yeah, cool.